Hey, thanks for stopping by. We really appreciate it. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Remember to hit that like button too. We appreciate each and everyone's support. Your donations go for a great cause in supporting the financial literacy of children and those that are underprivileged. Woo-wee! You know what that whistle means. It's game time. Let's get it. Do me a favor. I want you to start taking notes if you haven't already. This is very important. This is very important information, and you need to be articulate and capitalize on this opportunity. And you need to make sure that it's a note-taking system that's organized and easy to read. So I'm going to give you a little bit of time to gather your notes and come up with a great organized note-taking system. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's get to the nitty-gritty of this video. Payment cryptocurrency, a type of digital currency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and other stable coins, okay? Payment cryptocurrency is exactly what it says. These types of crypto are used for payments for services, products, etc. You're probably more familiar with these versus many other crypto. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin are some of the typical payment cryptocurrency. There are more, but I mainly wanted to show you some of the more popular, notable ones for this particular example. So let's talk about the definition of a stable coin. If you don't know what a stable coin is, it's a cryptocurrency pegged to the value of a fiat currency, okay? Aiming for greater price stability. So basically what they do is they attach it to a fiat currency in order to stabilize the price. I know what you're thinking now. What the heck is a fiat currency? You know what a fiat currency is. It's a government issued currency that is not backed by a physical commodity like gold or silver. Its value comes from the trust it has in that particular government. Number one example, the dollar. In case you didn't know it, the dollar is backed by the U.S. economy, the Federal Reserve policy, global demand, and good old trust in the U.S. government. I'm going to let you think about that for a second. Okay, let's get back on track. Another example of a fiat currency would be the euro, or any currency not backed by a physical commodity. Again, its value comes from trust. Again, I say trust in that particular government. Okay, let's review this definition of a stablecoin again. Crypto that is pegged to the value of a fiat currency aimed for greater price stability. Okay, they want to stabilize the price so they can exchange it perhaps and do things with it and do transactions and things of that nature. Stable coin examples. First Digital USD, symbol FSUSD. PayPal USD, PYUSD. Tether, symbol USDT. USDC and DAI. Just some examples of potential stable coins. There are more out there, okay? Before we go, let me give you 3 more examples of important payment coins that you might want to utilize. Bitcoin Cash, which is BCH dash DASH, Ripple, which is XRP. I think these are important coins to know as well. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Payment cryptocurrencies. Digital currency meant to serve as a medium of exchange, allowing users to send and receive payments directly without the need for banks or other payment processors. These cryptocurrencies are often called digital cash. These cryptocurrencies are focused on being secure, decentralized alternatives to standard forms of fiat currency. Well, we got another one in the books. We did it. Payment cryptocurrencies. What they're not telling you. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Very important here. Remember to subscribe. We appreciate all subscribers, and this builds our channel to provide more enlightening information. Remember to hit that like button too. All the likes are important. We need you. Every single bit of your support is appreciated, and we thank you. And we'll see you next time with a game-changing video.